fucking birthday. Oh my God. I'm so blessed. I'm so blessed that I woke up this morning and I'm still able to celebrate birthdays. Amen. I'm gonna read all you guys' messages. Just give me a couple. Because I gotta do something. Yeah, so I'm saying that to say, like, I'm not ignoring you. I see them, but I don't want to open them just yet because I need to do something with them. Okay? You guys are killing me. Like, I'm trying to respond to all of y'all. Take time. No, take time. I love you, but take time. Honestly, these snap videos, yo, I am a character in real life. Like, no, this is too much. Like, I could literally cry. Literally cry. I could. I really could. Oh my God, you guys, thank you. Stop. No, don't. Oh my God, it's my birthday! Oh my God, thank you. Happy birthday!
Yo, I was gonna go in here talking some serious shit. Why'd I pick this filter?
I believe it's my birthday though, like. But Una just wait for the glow up. Wait till we can glow up. I just wanna keep calling your name till you come back home. Oh my gosh, you guys, I forgot to tell you guys, there's a new vlog on my channel. Go over to my channel and check it out. It's Alicia on YouTube. And it's also now getting into, like, you know, like the livelier parts of my trip. So tomorrow you guys will meet some of the girls. Is that true? Jamaicans don't work on their birthday? I'm telling you, I can't wait to make that move. Jesus. No, like, I'm afraid for go home because I'm gonna have to cook. Weird. Is it my birthday or not? You know, today though, me go eat Popeyes for my birthday dinner though. Cha. It's Tootie Tuesday! Good morning, you guys. Oh my God, it's my birthday weekend. What? Wait. I've been up for so long. I did not really get any sleep. I went to bed after 12. No, I went to bed after 2. I got up a little bit after 5. But I got out of my bed maybe about 7. But yeah, today is Friday. I do not have work today. I have the day off. It's my birthday weekend. Today I'm having a little shindig at my house. Nothing big, but I'm gonna go cook. Yeah. I'm gonna go cook and a couple of my people that I'm gonna come over and we're just gonna, you know, just chill and catch up and stuff. Like, I haven't seen so many people since like 2016, literally. I haven't seen anyone since 2016. So and that was before, like, some people was like way before I left or whatever. So this should be fun. I'm excited and it's my weekend. So yeah, I'm up right now because I'm making macaroni salad. Yeah, I just done cook up my macaroni and my pasta and I boil up my mixed vegetable and thing. So I'm gonna make that and then I'm gonna do my nails. Oh, I'm sorry if you guys are so close, sorry. And then I'm gonna do my nails because they need to fill. I don't think I'm going out today, but I am going out tomorrow. I believe I am going out tomorrow. I'm supposed to be going to some blue and white party. Yeah, and things. And then Sunday I'm having my birthday dinner. So it should be an eventful weekend. And as usual, I'll be taking y'all with me. Part 1 is tonight, part 2 is tomorrow, and part 3 depends Sunday. And then part 4, I'm gonna wake up and I'm back to adulting until next year. Oh my god. But yeah, it's been, yeah, I've been going through emotions just like this, but I'm handling a lot of these situations a lot better than I would have before. So it's just showing me that I'm continuing to grow in the right direction, and I'm pleased with myself and my attitude and my behavior and how I'm handling these situations. I'm very, very pleased, if I must say so myself. So yeah, I'm not gonna ramble on anymore. That's gonna be boring. I will see you guys one day wherever I decide to pick up the camera next when I do something. But yeah, I got me do finale. It's guys, not gonna lie, I was legit just about to cry because it's like 10:30 and nobody's here, but Puffy is about to reach. Kamisha's on her way. Wait, both Kamishas are on their way, actually. That's so funny. I forget I have 2 Kamisha friends. But well, one's Kim and one's Ken. But yeah, Kamishas are on their ways. And yeah, so much drama regarding my cousins. So yeah, and then there was already issues with them earlier today, and then this had to happen. So yeah, but I finished cooking more gazilla. So I made some curry chicken, yeah, some white rice, yeah, I got honey barbecue wings and fish in here, and then I have macaroni salad and macaroni pie and a dip for the chips in there. Why is she taking so long? Oh my god.
Oh my god, my hair, please. It's not.
I missed you in real life. Oh
You
my
see my
god.
face? You can't be doing that to my face. You don't see how my face looks? No, Zoe's bad.
This girl said she looked like a monster. I'm expecting a monster to walk through my door. Oh my god, my friend's here. I'll be back. Oh my god. I'm gonna give a hey. Shut up. Right there. My belly. Oh my god, I feel the love now. I'm not gonna cry anymore.
That's why you got me come up. Like, no, bro, that's why we cry with the
Yeah. I'll show you the rest after.
For my birthday.
I'm shutting in. What?
Putting up like 7. You guys, it's my birthday. Okay, we're gonna take a shot. Wait, did I pour one for you, Kim?
That's mine.
Sorry. Okay, wait, hold on.
I feel the breeze.
Awa.
The draft.
You ready? I wasn't born here. So, it's cold. So why'd you open it then? No, because it's hot. It's not even like hot where you get like a nice breeze. Here it's humid. Okay, wait, no. I'm not gonna make you die. It's the plates, they're weak, man. Let's look here. You never ever buy no, just slowly. Here? My nigga, shut the fuck up. I'll delete you. Again. You guys should delete me. But that's a story time for another day. I'll tell you about the time that Tiffany deleted me. But we're gonna. It's like it's not as dramatic as the first time, right? Oh my god! Come on, let's not. Wait, hold on. What did Rashawn say? He's not doing it? Are you doing it? Sir? Hi. We met, right? Are you doing the shot? No, there's no shot. Come now! Come now! Up! What? All these things? Okay. I don't want to kill off the people that pick me. So. He's coming around my phone. I want more. Sorry, you don't have to get it. Huh? What is it? It's a shot. It's a shot. You know I hate shots? Yeah, I do too. Right. To me. Birthday behavior. Wait, no, what are you doing? You know what? No, syncope. Oh. Like you put ice in your shot? Okay, let's go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Woo! With Henny ting is possible. Henny is Henny ting. It makes you warm. Now you gotta do like one time. Like, you took all of it?
Yeah.
Yes, Dan B. Yo, remember when I used to drink that shit raw? I remember when I used to drink that shit raw.
Wait, bye. You guys, it's my birthday.
Put it on the table. No?
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, the table.
Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't see you did that. Oh, you're so friendly.
You're so lame. Okay.
Okay, sing to me.
I can't sing, but like, are you guys ready?
Down.
Turn off the music for a sec. Let me see.
Happy birthday to you. Hello. Happy birthday. Are you guys serious? Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Zoe. My baby. Happy birthday to you. These are the lame people that didn't want to sing. Blow out your candles. Make a wish.
It's my birthday.
Come on, baby. Make a wish. Hold on, can I catch it? Yeah. All right, hurry up before the...
Wait. Okay,
You should already know your wish.
now. It takes me a little longer.
You better hurry up before this thing runs out. I know how much memory I have on this. Yo, man, like... Okay. Okay, no, you know, like, I guess it gotta be like one of those, like...
Okay, shut up!
It gotta mean something. It's not a pony.
Everybody but the
No second. And that's the cake.
Thanks, Marie!
Woo, Marie! Believe and you shall achieve.
So I cut my cake, she didn't get it. Take it out.
You take, aren't you supposed to take it out?
Take it out. My wish won't
Is that how people do shit? I've never heard that one before, like.
You stole her wish.
So I stole her wish.
No, you didn't.
Like, I don't know. I've never heard that one before. Take a bite.
For Steven. The inside might be kind of cold because it's been in the fridge.
Chocolate mousse.
Are you dumb?
It was snorted.
Yo, turn this off. My eye. Can someone tell Kamisha Burke I'm looking for her? Kamisha and Sammy. You see the time? You know it's real when you gotta take a shower with a garbage bag over your head. Hey guys! I don't think I really got to vlog or show you guys like my little transformation and shit. You know, my little angle bob and shit. Y'all never see me look so cute and shit. But you guys, it's Sunday. My birthday weekend has finally come to an end. I'm downstairs waiting for my mom because I'm going to my birthday dinner and such like that. The Bay is at home getting ready to go out with his friends. Everybody's doing different stuff. You know, he's going out with his friends for Super Bowl weekend. Today's the Super Bowl as well. So I let him do that. You know, we went out yesterday, as you guys would have seen. And then Friday I had the little shindig thing at my house. You guys didn't really see Mar, but he was there. He was sleeping for most of it, but he was there. So yeah, that's what I'm doing. So I'm just waiting for mom. So I'll see you guys when mom gets here. Okay, bye. Say hi, mom.
Hi.
You know who you're saying hi to? Say hi to my subscribers.
Hi.
Oh Lord.
Hello. Hi.
They're not gonna answer back to you right now, you know. This is not live.
Okay.
It's just recording. Anyways, let's go. I'm late. Mom, you can't believe I'm 27? I'm so cute today and yesterday. Jesus.
So when can go to Super Bowl?
I don't know where he's gonna go. I dropped him to his mom's. And he's gonna go with his friends to like a bar or something. Stuff. So I don't want no Chinese food. So I say, alright, go on. So you take the car and go and enjoy yourself. It's like, I know it's your mom who wants to go, you know? Because you know, so. It's like, your mom love restaurant. She love go eat. Anybody birthday, she want to go eat. Oh my God. So yeah, guys, I'm driving, so I'll see you guys when I get there. So we have to order the food off of an iPad. How intelligent is this? Is it 2017 or what? What happened? Yeah, like, okay, so you have the iPad and you order what you want. Like, you know, that's so cool. Oh my gosh, this is so intelligent. Fried sweet potato. It doesn't get any better than this. I'm sorry, I don't know what to say, but you know, fried. Kiana, say hi. Say hi. Hi. Say hey, Snap. Say hey, Snap. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Say hi to Snapchat. Say hi, Zoe's friends. Hi. Outside. Oh my God, but I'm home. My birthday weekend is officially over. And this is the last time I will be celebrating my birthday. Thank you. Yeah, thank you to everyone who showed up today, who showed up on Friday. And yeah, thank you to everyone who called. This really was a good birthday, even though everything did not go, except for today, everything else didn't go as planned as I wanted it to. I had an amazing weekend and birthday. Talk about gifts. Normally I get 2. I got more this time. I got 2 cakes and my mom surprised me with a cake just now. And then I got added to my liquor collection. Yeah, my friend bought me 3 bottles of wine. And my cousin just bought me this bottle of wine. And then my sister's household got me this. And my subscriber, Marie, also had gotten... Actually, let me show you guys what Marie got me, because I'm just like over the moon. If I had showed you guys already, I'm terribly sorry, but she got me this sexy ass Starbucks like mug cup thing. Oh, you guys will see it in the vlog, actually. That's why I remember that I showed. She also got me this cute like Bath and Body Works set, 1,000 Wishes. Yeah, it smells so freaking good. I have the hand lotion in my bag. And then she got me this tea so I could put it in my mug. And then Sandy also got me a gift card. So I'm very appreciative for my friends and family who spent money on me and remembered me during this time of year. I thank you guys, and you guys made my but I'm done rambling. I have cuts to cake. I have cakes to cut, so me just done yam the mind this year. Y'all funny. Somebody said, what did Bay get you? Bay said I gotta wait to get my gift, so hopefully it's big. Feel so loved, like, oh my gosh. But anyways, I'm gonna do some work for the people them before I lose my work, so later.